Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Hi, Pocky. Do you have an egg for me today? Thanks, Pocky. What's inside? Oh, look, it's a cute little charm that's shaped like an ice cream cone. Does that make you think of summertime? It looks delicious. I wonder what flavor it is. Today we're going to fold this piece of paper into an origami something. Let's see if you can guess what it is. So you fold these over diagonally, this way, and the other side. And then you unfold it. You fold it long ways. Fold it long ways the other way. And then turn it over. And then you just follow the creases and you collapse the paper into a big triangle. Now we're going to fold these up into little triangles. Just the top layer only. You turn it over. And then you fold down this part and make sure that there's a little tiny triangle hanging over the edge, just the bottom edge. And you want to press these down so that there's a really long triangle, little teeny, really long triangles there. It's called squash folding. Then you fold over that little tiny triangle that's hanging over the bottom edge. So there's the head, and then you fold this back and forth a little bit. What is it? It's a butterfly.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Please press the like button below this video and share with your friends. Have a lovely day.